TECNO phones store lots of personal data, contacts, messages, photos, apps. Before selling or giving away your device, it's crucial to erase it securely. In this video, we'll show 5 reliable TECNO data erasers and compare their pros and cons. Top 1. Best TECNO data eraser MobiKin eraser for Android. Thorough how-to guide. Install MobiKin eraser for Android and connect your TECNO via USB. Enable USB debugging and select erase. Pick a security level, type delete, and confirm that the software will scan and erase data. Perform a factory reset to remove system data and settings. Top 2. Files by Google. For everyday cleanup rather than military-grade wiping, this option emphasizes simplicity and accessibility. It helps remove unnecessary files, duplicates, and cached data, which is useful before a basic reset on TECNO phones. Top 3. Android Data Eraser App. Selective deletion is the main strength here, allowing users to target photos, videos, or folders that contain sensitive information. By overriding free space, it reduces the chances of deleted files being recovered later. Top 4. SDelete File Shredder. Rather than focusing on a flashy interface, this tool prioritizes secure shredding of chosen files. It applies overriding techniques that go beyond normal deletion, helping protect personal information on TECNO devices. Top 5. iShredder Data Eraser. Security standards are the highlight of this option, with certified deletion algorithms used to ensure data cannot be restored. It is particularly effective for users preparing TECNO phones for resale or recycling.